And next to that, we were starting to think, would it be an idea to create a t-shirt? So we searched on the internet for a graphical designer, and we created a few designs and went to a local t-shirt store to print the t-shirts. And that was really the first start. So just presenting to the initial store, where we started also with the bracelets, to convince them of a test with 3 different models of t-shirts. From the moment we scaled up to, I think, 10 stores or something around that with the 3 models of t-shirts, we start thinking like, what can we do to make it more professional? Because the t-shirt itself was created in Bangladesh, that we were buying in, and of course it was printed in Belgium. So the quality was not always perfect of the t-shirt. So that was our next step, to find a production facility within Portugal, China, Bangladesh, whatever it was possible, but just to have better quality and create like our own colors, our own yarns, our own designs. In October 2016, we went 2 weeks to China for a trip, focused really on the production of black and gold, because that was at that moment just happening. So it was very good also in place of sending parcel to each other, just to be there physical. So we discussed everything with them. We went to a sock factory, watch factory, bracelet factory, clothing factories. So we visited a lot of factories there during that time. Also discovered new technologies, new printing options. So it was a very nice trip. In the beginning it was very difficult because you had the language barrier. Even also the production facility was not really focused on high-end fashion. It was more focused on fast fashion. And we really wanted to build a product with high quality. So that's something you really see with different factories. You have different quality levels, and sometimes it takes time also to train them. So I think over time we did like 6 months over it to just create the skirt that we really liked and the embroidery quality that we needed. And we didn't have a really good system at that moment. It was really like just a manual solution, just everything on paper. So it was not really like successful. It was we lost a lot of time with searching and with picking packing. But during the moments that we had the retail stores ramping up until 30 stores, it was more heavy after work, of course, because we did it like as a second job. It was not our main job at that moment. So it was until 1-2 o'clock in the night that we were really like picking, packing all the goods and prepare everything to deliver out.